Hi, my name is Tamara Brooks, and I'm a licensed MSW. It's going to be 5 years since I recently passed my exam. I can't say that I did pass on the third tries. I had to learn different techniques to be able to master the exam. I had to learn what stage of the question it was asking me, whether it was in the engagement, assessment, planning, intervention, or termination. Learn the do's and do nots of our profession, how to best, choose the answers that were, given to me based on the scenario on the best or next. Know the policies and certain laws regarding elderly or child care. I think I'll be able to, help the student, gain confidence and master what they need to know to be able to pass their exam, and hopefully on the first try. So, I could just, start where the student is, go through what difficulties they're experiencing or what they might not, understand, and, help them to be able to identify what the question is asking of them, and, not choose answers based on their experience or what's the reality, in the workplace, but choose questions that the exam is basically looking for you to choose. So I think with my study methods and my techniques that I've came up with to be able to pass on the third try, I would like to share it with others and see the results of what my techniques can do to help others pass their exam. Thanks.